First things first, let's address the elephant in the room. Vagaro is not a free-to-use platform for businesses. Unlike some other scheduling and business management software that might offer a basic free tier for solo practitioners or very small operations, Vagaro operates on a subscription model. This means that to use the vast array of features Vagaro offers, you will need to pay a monthly fee. However, that doesn't mean there aren't any free aspects or ways to try it out. Vagaro understands that businesses need to test the waters before committing. This is where their free trial comes in. Vagaro offers a 30-day free trial that allows you to explore almost all of its functionalities without any upfront cost. During this trial period, you can set up your business profile, create services, manage appointments, and get a feel for the platform's user interface. It's a comprehensive look at what you'd be paying for, giving you ample time to decide if it's the right fit. Important to note, though, that activating certain paid subscription features, like advanced email or text marketing, or Yelp integration, will end your free trial prematurely. Also, while you can set up integrations with Apple and Google Maps during the trial, your business won't actually display on those platforms until after your trial concludes and you become a paying subscriber. So, while there's no perpetual free plan, that 30-day trial is your golden ticket to explore before you commit financially. Think of it as a test drive for a high-performance vehicle. You get to see what it can do, but eventually you'll need to buy it to keep driving. Now, let's talk about the actual cost once the trial is over. Vagaro's pricing is primarily structured based on the number of bookable calendars or users you need. For a single location with one bookable calendar, meaning one staff member managing appointments, the pricing typically starts around $30 per month. This base price increases as you add more users or locations. For example, 2 users might be $35 per month, 3 users $45 per month, and so on, going up to around $85 to $90 per month for 7 or more users. For multi-location businesses, custom pricing plans are usually available. What do you get for that monthly subscription? A lot, actually. Vagaro is designed as an all-in-one solution for beauty, wellness, and fitness businesses. The core subscription typically includes features like online booking and calendar management. This is a huge one. Clients can book appointments 24/7 through your Vagaro listing page, social media, or your own website. If you integrate it, you get a customizable calendar to manage appointments, classes, and even resources. Automated notifications and reminders. Say goodbye to no-shows. Vagaro sends automated email and text reminders to clients, which can significantly reduce missed appointments. Customer management and tracking. Build detailed client profiles, track their service history, preferences, and even notes. Basic marketing tools. The base plan often includes a certain number of free email marketing messages per month, e.g., 1,000 free emails, to help you promote your services and engage with clients. Point of sale, POS, and credit card processing. Vagaro integrates payment processing, allowing you to accept various forms of payment. However, it's crucial to understand that while the feature is included, you will incur transaction fees for processing payments. Vagaro's card-present transaction fees are typically around 2.75%, while online or keyed-in transactions might be slightly higher. These processing fees are separate from your monthly subscription fee and are standard across most payment processing platforms. Reporting and analytics. Gain insights into your business performance with various reports on sales, appointments, clients, and staff. Employee management. Manage staff schedules, commissions, and payroll, though some advanced payroll features might be add-ons. Beyond the core subscription, Vagaro also offers various add-on features that come with additional monthly costs. This is where the free aspect really starts to vanish, and understanding these can be crucial for budgeting. Some common add-ons include Website Builder, Vagaro My Site. While you get a Vagaro listing page with your subscription, if you want to build a fully custom website through Vagaro, it comes with an extra monthly fee, typically around $20 per month. Branded Mobile App. For businesses that want their own custom branded app for clients to book through, Vagaro offers this at a significant additional monthly cost, potentially $100 or more per month. Advanced Forms and Waivers. If your business requires clients to fill out intake forms or liability waivers before services, This feature can be an additional $10 per month. Enhanced text marketing plans. While basic email marketing might be included, more extensive text marketing campaigns or higher volumes of messages often incur additional costs, starting around $20 per month. Online shopping cart. If you plan to sell products online through Vagaro, this feature typically costs an additional $10 per month. Integration with QuickBooks or Xero. While powerful for accounting, these integrations can come with a monthly fee, e.g., $30. Live stream for online classes/appointments. If you want to offer virtual services, live streaming capabilities are an additional $10 per license per month. It's clear that while the initial core offering is robust, the costs can add up quickly if you start enabling many of these premium features. This is where businesses need to carefully assess their specific needs. Do you really need a custom-branded app from day one? Or can you leverage the included online booking page and social media integrations? For clients booking services through Vagaro, there are generally no direct fees imposed by Vagaro on the client for simply booking an appointment. The client pays the service fee to the business, and the business, as we discussed, pays the subscription and transaction fees to Vagaro. However, businesses can set up their own fees within Vagaro for things like cancellation fees, no-show fees, or even small convenience fees. But these are decided and configured by the individual business, not Vagaro itself as a universal charge to clients. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.